Okay, so I thought you gardeners would be interested in what I found. I was looking online for garden beds. That's why I ended up deciding to make one, because they were so expensive. I would have been happy with a few smaller ones, just at a decent price. To me, they're not decent prices. I mean, that may be what they cost to make and the labor put into it. I'm not begrudging them the price, but I wasn't going to pay the hundreds of dollars that it costs for those small beds. I've found some cheaper ones. You've seen them, the little square ones. They're only like a foot high, and they're like a resin, so they're going to last a few years, but they really don't look good. The first year you put them together, like I have my strawberry bed together with them. Look over here. There's my strawberry bed. They look okay, but after the first year, they get faded, and they just really don't look good. So I just wasn't able to find anything affordable. Guess what I found? For you that don't want to, put the labor into making a bed or getting all that material or making one that big, just for small but decent size raised beds, look what I found. I was going in Lowe's, as I'm always in Lowe's, just looking for things. Do you know what this is? Some of you people probably do know what this is. It's called a window well. And they're made for putting around your windows if you have windows that are at ground level. Would you believe that it's very hard, very thick. It's not flimsy at all. It's quite heavy. $27. The first thing I did when I looked at this is I said, oh my God, put two of those together. Nuts and bolts. It's already got the holes. There's already holes all the way down it. I've got a 2-foot high raised bed. $27 a piece. That's $54. $50 for this. This is big enough to put in a nice zucchini squash plant, or even some smaller things. I could fill this with carrots. A decent sized bed, or add a third one and make it bigger. So what's that? 54 plus 27. $81. And you've got a huge, nice size raised garden bed. So hit your Lowe's. Maybe Home Depot has them too, I'm sure. Any of those big box stores that sell hardware and lumber and things. Affordable. And these are galvanized steel, so they're going to last just as long as anything else like that with the dirt in it. So awesome find, affordable. I'm going to have quite a few of these by the time I'm done. I'm thinking maybe 6. And they're probably going to be the bigger size where I put 3 of them together. All you need to do then is get the nuts and bolts to attach. Don't forget those when you're at the store. Thanks. Bye.